know what this means. Has this been the longest month of our lives? But I do have some retail therapy for us. If you watch my 2025 luxury wish list, you know that I want to make this year the year to start my jewelry stack, which is non-existent. So I have 3 items for you today. So one is going to be brand new. The second one is going to be a vintage Hermes watch. And then the third is a vintage piece that I'm not even sure if it's going to fit me. So we're going to see live. We'll either end up on a high note or a low one. So let's unbox.
If you just know you're that girl,
yeah,
you just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl.
Okay, so here's the tea, besties. Actually, I had ordered 5 different pieces of jewelry and 2 of them ended up being fake. I bought them separately on eBay and yeah, I opened them up. They were very obviously not real. So if you want that story time, I actually have that video up at the exact same time. It's going to be in the end card of this video. But let's start with the brand new piece as promised. So this is from She Said Yes, and don't worry, I am not engaged. I am not getting married. But they are having a Valentine's Day sale, and whether or not you have a Valentine's this year, you can always be your own Valentine. Or we can have Galentine's. So She Said Yes does have a lot of wedding bands and engagement rings, but they also have things that are great for stackables, which is exactly what this is. Dun, 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 dun. Psych, you can't see it yet. Okay, so here's the real unboxing. Ooh, I will show you. Okay, here we go. Woo! Gorgeous. This is actually called the Joy of Eternity wedding band, but tell me that this is not the perfect stackable ring. Like, wow. She Said Yes has a lot of moissanite options, and moissanite has the same glitz and glamour of a diamond, but not at that price point, which allows you to fit a lot more bling in your budget. They have a ton of options too. Just for this model, you could get it in white gold, yellow gold, rose gold, and also platinum, and then 12 different stones to choose from. I feel like I can't get too close to the camera because then it looks, yeah. I think this is the best piece to start my silver stack with. And like I said, they are having a Valentine's Day sale, so I'm gonna have the details for that below, as well as a discount code. I just love it. Okay, let me put on some silver jewelry that I do have. So I just put on a tennis bracelet that I had. This is a beautiful stackable ring. I mean, like, can't you just picture like multiple of the same thing here? And then this is just my cheer ring. Love. I personally always wanted to do like the adult bestie rings, so I might keep that in mind while this sale is going on. On to Hermes. I currently don't have any designer watches at all, and I can't even say that I was really in the market for a watch, especially functionality wise, because we're all on our phones. But there are a few iconic watches that I just want for the fashion aspect of it. And as I always say, Instagram ads got me again. So this came up as a sponsored ad for a designer watch reseller. So they are called Lorinate. I'm trying to grow my Instagram for this channel. I'm really bad at taking pictures, but if you want to start following me there, I will follow them and you can follow them through there. But I was like, let me see what they have, and then I saw this and I immediately checked out. And it is, dun, 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 dun. Ah, oh my god, look how gorgeous. So this is an Hermes Kelly Watch. Let me take her out. I believe that it's actually stainless steel but gold plated. But how chic is it that the watch is on the lock? Like, that is what I love about it. If you're not that familiar with Hermes, it is called a Kelly watch because this is the same clasp that is on the Kelly, and then their lock is pretty signature throughout their brand, especially their Birkin. And then the strap is calfskin leather, and actually they discontinued the leather straps, I think back in maybe 22, 23. So if you want one of these, you have to thrift it. They came back and they reintroduced the watch as full stainless steel, and it's absolutely gorgeous. But if you want the little pop of color, you gotta go hunt it. I didn't really hunt this color. This was actually the only Kelly watch that this reseller had. And yeah, like I said, I checked out in 5 minutes. I was happy with it because I like the gold hardware. And then I just think that red really complements gold very well. So, I mean, I can't imagine what other color I would want other than maybe like a black strap with silver. And I have played with it a little bit, and I've realized just how versatile this little thing can be. So I'll show you that. But before I do, let me show you something really nerdy and dorky that I found out. So on the strap, you can see that little X with the circle around it. So that is actually an indication of what year this was made. If I can find a chart, that is on a website. I'll link it below in case you have a piece where you want to check. But when I checked it, it said that this piece was created in 1994. So not really a significant year for me, but I just think it was cool to know. All right, so let's put it on. So here it is. I'm obsessed. So cute. I can't wait to wear this. It's just so different. This is one way to wear it. Like to accessorize. Oh, so cute. I know you can't see anything. Check this out. You can actually take the lock off. All you do is you just twist it here, and then it twists off, and you put it through. Number one, you could totally put this on a chain and make it into a watch necklace. How chic. I don't have a gold chain, I only have a silver one, so I'm not gonna put it on there, but well, heck, let's just try it. These are so hard to do with nails. Oh my god.
2 hours later.
Alright, I have it. Don't breathe. Wow, being a girl is so hard. Okay, look, I can't do it with my nails, but you can see, let me put this up and back. Yeah, cute. With definitely my gold chain though. Tell me that's not cute. And then you can also use this as a little bag charm. Check this out. So I have my Louis Vuitton mini pochette, and I'm just gonna twist it on, and voila. How cute. Now, you might want to put this on an Hermes purse, but I do not have. And then also, if you haven't noticed, when I take it off, this is just a bracelet. So it's already 4 ways to style at one watch. All right, this last one, like I told you, is a little bit of a gamble. So I got this on Vestiaire Collective. It is Louis Vuitton, and if you've never seen one of these boxes, this is a vintage box. So they actually have this just laying here. So this fuzzy. This is like the new season colors. You know, it always has the blue tab with the orange. But these are what a lot of the older boxes look like. I saw this and I was like, have to have it, have to make the size work. I went and I even sized my fingers just to see like what finger this could fit on. I kind of strategized and thought maybe it could fit on like only this finger, but even the sizes didn't quite line up right. But I was like, I love it so much because I had never seen it before, that I just had to risk it for the price and just hope for the best. So we'll see. And here's an old school Louis Vuitton dust bag as well. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Okay, wait. Reveal. Check this out. Check it out. Is this not the coolest ring you've ever seen? Okay, so totally gave me like Greek goddess vibes from the beginning. Here's the thing. This is the back. So you can see like this is the back of the ring. This is the front. I definitely didn't understand what the back looked like on the pictures, so I'm a little confused. I thought it was more like long all the way around, so it's just gonna be trial and error here. So this is the finger that I figured it would work with, and it is very, very loose, but very pretty. Okay, so let's do middle. Okay, that actually works. It's a little loose, so I'm a little scared, but totally works if that's what needs to happen. I can tell you that this is already going on, but who cares? Let's stack it on my She Said Yes ring. Oh yeah. Ooh, even though it is different hardware, it's very pretty. And honestly, because it's so open, I almost think it would work on my thumb. Let's see. Ooh, I actually kind of like this. That's very different. And it doesn't do that thing as much. Maybe it's supposed to be a thumb ring. I don't know, but we got all my goods here. Wow. I would say this is a very successful haul. We got some gold, we got some silver, we got a watch. Oh, I don't know about you, but this time was nice. This was real retail therapy. Thank you for being here with me. I know the world's been absolutely insane lately, but yeah, I hope that we are all finding these little pockets of happiness. Again, if you want to see the tea on my little eBay scams, I'm gonna have that video linked right here, so click to watch.
If you just know you're that girl,
Yeah.
you just have no choice but to be that girl. And I feel like I'm that girl.